Hello everyone, hoping that you all are fine. Today we will talk about a super easy math lesson which is called adding and subtracting two-digit numbers. First, let's start with adding two-digit numbers. Of course, it's easy for all of us to add a number to another number. But how can we add a two-digit number to another two-digit number? That's what we will learn today. Here, if we have two-digit numbers which are 12 and 53. Of course, you know that number 12 has two ones and one 10, and number 53 has three ones and five tens. To add these numbers to each other, you have only two steps. First step, you will add the ones. Here in the ones you have 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equals 3 in my head and 2 on my fingers. After 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 ones. Second step, you will add the tens. Here in the tens we have 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 equals 5 in my head and 1 on my fingers. After 5, 6. So we have 6 tens. Then the answer will be 65. 16 plus 70. 16 plus 70. How can we solve it, grade 1? Excellent. First, add ones. Second, add tens. First, add ones. 6 plus 0 equals, of course you know that any number plus 0 gives us the same number. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. We have 6 ones. Second, add the tens. 1 plus 7 equals 7 in my head and 1 on my fingers. After 7, 8. So we have 8 tens. Another one. 55 plus 24. First, add ones. Second, add tens. First, add ones. 5 plus 4 equals 5 in my head and 4 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have 9 ones. Second, add tens. 5 plus 2 equals 5 in my head and 2 on my fingers. After 5, 6 and 7. So we have 7 tens. Then the answer will be 79. Another one. 15 plus 23. First, add ones. 5 plus 3 equals 5 in my head and 3 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have 8 ones. Second, add tens. 1 plus 2 equals 2 on my head and 1 on my fingers. After 2, 3. So we have 3 tens and the answer will be 38. Another one. 24 plus 24. First, add ones. 4 plus 4 equals 4 in my head and 4 on my fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 8 ones. Second, add the tens. 2 plus 2 equals 2 on my head and 2 on my fingers. After 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 tens and the answer will be 48. Right now, let's talk about subtracting two-digit numbers. In adding two-digit numbers, we added the ones, then we added the tens. Here, it will be a little different because first you will subtract the ones. And the ones here we have 5 and 3. 5 minus 3 equals, you have 5 fingers and you will down 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? 2, so we have 2 ones. Second step, you will subtract the tens. In the tens here we have 7 and 2. 7 minus 2 equals 7 fingers and you will down 1, 2. How many fingers are left? 5 fingers. So we have 5 tens and the answer will be 52. Another example. 94 minus 31. 94 minus 31. How can we make it? Grade 1. First, subtract ones. Second, subtract tens. 4 minus 1 equals 4 fingers and down 1. How many fingers are left? 3. So we have 3 ones. Second, subtract tens. 9 minus 3 equals 9 fingers and you will down 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? And the answer will be 63. Another one. 56 minus 10. First, subtract ones. Second, subtract tens. First, subtract ones. 6 minus 0 equals, any number minus 0 equal the same number. So 6 minus 0 equals 6. So we have 6 ones. Second, subtract tens. 5 minus 1 equals 5 fingers and you will down 1 finger. How many fingers are left? 4 fingers. So we have 4 tens and the answer will be 46. Let's have another example. 52 minus 32. First, subtract ones. 2 minus 2 equals 2 fingers and you will down 1 and 2. How many fingers do you have right now? No fingers. We have 0 ones. Second, subtract tens. 5 fingers and you will down 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? Only 2 fingers. So we have 2 tens and the answer will be 20. I think it became easy, right? 64 minus 33. First, subtract ones. 4 minus 3 equals 4 fingers and you will down 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? 1. We have 1, 1. Second, subtract tens. 6 minus 3 equal 6 fingers and you will down 1, 2, and 3. How many fingers are left? 3. So we have 3 tens and the answer will be 31. That's all we have today, grade 1. Thanks for listening. See you in another video.